Hi everybody, welcome to today's video. There is the L and there's the P. This is actually a classic. This is actually fungus growing out of the LP, and when you push on it, that whole surface is soft. It's not oozing water like I've seen, but basically what it's telling us is all this LP is going to have to come off and be replaced. And then, of course, it has mid-1990s wood windows that when we start to look at them, we're going to find rotten deterioration as well. So this house needs a ton of TLC inside and out. And it is a known problematic product. Most of the problems with it actually revolve around poor installation and poor maintenance is what's gotten you here. It's essentially wood chips and glue, so once it starts to absorb water, those wood chips swell up and it starts to delaminate and fall apart. Again, you're at the beginning stages of it here with this siding, so you could limp along for a little bit longer, but realistically the only way to fix it is to pull all of this siding off and replace it with fiber cement product, more than likely. You can actually, I just put my finger against the bottom of it and it's just starting to fall apart.
Are you creating damage?
I am not creating damage. There is far more worse stuff than going on here, and I'm not deliberately trying to pull it apart. I literally just put my finger on it to see if it was softening, and it fell apart. So that does not count as creating damage to fine damage. That is what happens to LP over time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.